Hi everyone, Flying Brian here. Come along on a short trip on the East Coast Line here in Scotland. Our trip starts at the station in Pitlochry in the Scottish Highlands. And here comes the train, right on time. Come on, let's get on board and find a seat. All settled in, and the train gets underway in no time at all. We're rolling southeast toward Perth and then on into Edinburgh. The trip should take about 2 hours. That's the beautiful town of Pitlochry out there in the middle of the Highlands.
Scottish Highlands. All right. Thank you very much. No problem. Thank you very much. Okay. Bye.
We're running parallel to the A9 and outrunning a lorry out there on the roadway.
I feel like I'm at the target. Maybe that. You got me time for something,
We're coming into the station at Perth and the train is starting to slow down. You can see that Perth is much more industrialized and built up.
Hey, have you been in this?
We had to change it because remember we had to run.
And then
We got off and run.
and then we had to run from here, ran off that bridge, and we ran up here, up that ramp. Oh,
Up there, Kate, yes. Over that.
And here we are at the station in Perth. Skipping ahead, this is the very busy Waverly Station in the centre of Edinburgh. From here, me and the missus are going to walk up into Edinburgh for a nice day trip. We'll catch you on the way back. Well, we're going to try to find our way back down to the station. We know this goes down to the station. We don't know what track we need to be on, what platform, nothing. We'll be finding out shortly. We've been walking around Edinburgh for the last 5 hours and we're a bit knackered now. We've come back to Waverly Station to catch the 4:30 East Coast train back to Pitlochry. Checking the schedule board, we're looking for the train to Inverness. And there it is. It shows it will depart from platform 11, but it also shows it's running about 20 minutes late. I guess we're going to have some time to kill, so let's take a look around the station. Waverly is Scotland's second largest rail station, second only to Glasgow. In recent years, the station has undergone extensive redevelopment, and the station is now cleaner and brighter looking. While some parts date back to the late 1860s, when the station was first built in a Victorian style, others are more modern, including the recent replacement of a 34,000 square meter roof with new clear glass panels. Here's the view from the end of platform 11, looking west towards the tunnels that carry the rail line under Scotland's National Gallery. And finally, here comes our East Coast train, about 45 minutes late. I'm looking forward to sitting down, relaxing on the trip back to Pitlochry. Well, that's it for now from Flying Brian. So long from Edinburgh, and remember, life is a journey. Enjoy the ride, and thanks for watching.